I'm going to make a video of what is the problem since he won't pick up the phone and I can't reach him. And it isn't the door's tensility and it's not the sensors because we checked those. So I put it back on the light. We pull it down. We check the looseness and everything. No, just you can leave them in here. Just and on this side. There's barely a gap on either side of the door. Let's see. And they're all pretty loose. And I need to put the guide back on the door. Alright, so now the door is attached. These are loose. This one's loose. This one's loose. Pretty. Alright, loose. Alright, loose. This one's a little tight. And that one's pretty okay. Then we put the door up. And it will go up. Hello, Willie. And then it complains. And you try to put it down, and it stalls again. Lovely.